What's up, everybody? Today we're going to review this Craftsman 48 piece impact socket set, 1/2-inch drive, and I got my assistant on my left side ready to help me. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, before I get started, this is item number 16548, and it's the Craftsman 48 piece impact socket set. Alright. Here you got your standard size deep sockets. Starting from 3/8 to 1 inch and 1/16. And this is how the sockets look. And it's a 6-point. They got the nice smooth finish. It has the size printed and also engraved. Alright, down here you got your shallow sizes, sockets I mean. So here you got your metric, all the way from 12 to 27. And then you got your standard shallow sockets from 3/8 to 1 inch and 1/16. And this is a 3/8 socket. I like it feels nice and smooth in your hand. It doesn't have that powdery, dusty feeling like the Harbor Freights. So it's just smooth. And then down here you got your metric deep sockets from 12 all the way to 27, same as the shallow sizes, 12 to 27. And this is a 12. So you got your standard deep sockets sizes up here. Then you got your metric and standard shallow sizes. And then you got your deep sockets, your metric deep sockets down here. 48 piece, 1/2-inch drive. And it comes with the case to protect it. So whenever you can carry it to your job site. And it's got these metal latches. Alright, and that's it. Hope you guys like it. Comment and like. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching.